Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Siri when iPhone is locked. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same with every iPhone that you can get on the market. So now let's lock the iPhone. I do have a passcode on, and as you can see now I cannot turn the Siri by holding the side button, because this is the way that I have the Siri enabled. I can summon her when the iPhone is unlocked, but you can turn on this feature just by going to the settings, swiping down, going to Siri and search, and just allow Siri when locked. So if you turn on this feature, you need to get the passcode or use Face ID. And now if you're going to have your iPhone locked, you still are going to be able to use Siri. So for example, hey Siri, what's the weather like today in Krakow? As you can see, now we have the information from Siri. Now, because I do have the iPhone in silent mode, so she didn't tell us what's the weather like. But if you want to disallow Siri, the same steps. So open settings, swipe down, go to Siri and search, and just allow Siri unlocked, so turn off this feature. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!